my poem, Bindustan, dedicated to union of ancient Indian subcontinent. If divided Germany can be reunited Germans, if Euro can bring together Europeans, if USA, Canada and Mexico can join as North Americans, India, Pakistan and Bangladesh can certainly unite as Bindustan. Geographical borders remain the same. Government, military would still maintain independence, but inter-parliamentary union guarantees common interests, combining military and intelligence for united defense, guarding border with hospitality, caring for victims of uncertain events. Tourism will flourish, reminding one's united hearts. Common identification would help rebuild trust, recognizing our harmonious ancient past, revitalized with the message of truth and love, enjoying cuisines, games and creative cultures. Let us hope the day is not really far, when ancient people of undivided India come together, hug each other, work and share life together, ignoring divisive forces that take us apart, celebrate events, better exchanging compliments and cheers. Pause by Kalki. Sounds impossible? Where there is a will, there is a way. It is certainly possible, initiating communication with appropriate high-level citizens as well as grassroots activists, because union is the best solution of the Indian subcontinent to bring back mutual trust, much needed for peaceful coexistence of one's united hearts. Bindustan cannot copy from mostly monarchical European Union, a fraternal union of historical colonizers and warmongers, with a motto of sustaining and expanding colonization and their security. Since Western mediation caused the very divisions, related suspicion and aggression, all dialogues need to be strictly among the uniting countries. Any European and American intervention would just pollute and distract, making the effort half-hearted, leading to status quo with a new face. God bless Indian subcontinent. God bless all citizens.